Good day everyone, I am Christian Marquez from BA Ed 1C and I will be discussing about the communication process. But first, I would like to ask a question. What is communication? What are the models of communication? What are the modes of communication? And what is SMCR all about? Those are the questions that I will be discussing in my report. First, what is communication? Communication can be defined as a process by which information, meanings, and feelings are shared by person through a verbal and non-verbal symbols, signs of or behavior. Three models of communication: transmission model, interaction model, and transaction model. Transmission model considers communication as one-directional exchange in which the message is purposely conveyed by a speaker to listener. This model centers on the sender and information present in a communication environment. Second one is interaction models. Describe communication as a process in which communicators change roles as sender and receiver and produce meaning by exchanging messages within their own environment and experiences. Third one is transaction model. Explains communication as a way of creating realities based on our social, relational, and cultural backgrounds. This model shows that communication is not a mere exchange of experiences. And the next is modes of communication. There have three modes of communication: interpreted communication, interpersonal communication, and presentational communication. First is interpretive communication, also referred to as the one-way communication. In this mode, the information conveyed by the sender is interpreted by the receiver in its original forms. Next one is interpersonal communication. It's the process by which people exchange information through verbal and non-verbal messages. Third one is presentational communication. It's another type of one-way communication which facilitates interpretation by members of another group where no direct opportunity for the active negotiation of meaning between members of the two groups exists. So what is SMCR? SMCR stands for source or sender, message, channel, and receive. Source is, in other words, also called the sender, is the one from who the truth originates. It is done with the help of communication, skills, attitude, knowledge, social system, and culture. For the message is when an individual converts his thoughts into words, a message is created. It is also called encoding. Any message further comprises of the following elements: content, element, treatment, structure, and code. Third one is channel. Channel actually refers to the medium how the information flows from the sender to the receiver. The five senses of the channels are through hearing, tasting, seeing, smelling, and touching. And fourth one is receiver. Receiver should be on the same platform as a speaker for a smooth flow of information and better understanding of the message. So this is the SMCR model, is Verlo's model. This is the end of my report. I hope that you learned something about the communication process. Thank you.